Depending on what materials we use for our homemade instruments, we can get different sounds. So if we put rice into a glass bottle like this, it'll sound like this. And if we put different things, like this one has dried pasta in it, it'll sound like this. And if we get bigger bits of pasta in there, it'll sound different again. So let's play a little game to see if you can spot the difference between the different shakers that I have. Let's go through them again. This one is rice and it sounds like this. This one is the small bits of pasta, it sounds like this. And this one has the big bits of pasta and it sounds like this. So I'm going to shake them off screen and you tell me which one it is. Here we go. What one was that? That's right, the rice one. So let's do another one. Which one is this? That's right, it was the big bits of pasta. Let's go again. Let's see, yes, it was the rice again. One more time. That's right, it was the middle size of pasta.